Hello friends, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're part of the family, welcome back. So I'm doing my monthly video where I show you guys all the items that I will be getting in my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I will get right to it, but before, if you don't know anything about Ipsy, it is a monthly beauty subscription. I pay 25 bucks a month and I get 5 full-size products. I absolutely have been loving this subscription. So let's get to it. All right, so I am on my computer here. If you see me turning my face because I had the items here right in front of me. The very first item I will be getting, which I'm so excited about, is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Brim. Brim is like a really dark black. I've heard so much about this mascara. I've seen so many reviews and videos on social media, and it's supposed to be amazing. So we're gonna be getting this mascara, or I'm gonna be getting this mascara in my box, and the value of this mascara is $24. All right, next item up is actually a highlighter palette, and it's by Huda Beauty. It is a 3D highlighter palette in Bronze Sand. So this highlighter palette is made for deeper or like more medium tone skin tones, which is what I am, or I chose in my profile. So it's not gonna be as light and see-through. It's gonna be have more of a rich color. So I love it because I know that I can use it both as a highlighter and also maybe as an eyeshadow palette or a blush. So I'm really excited about this. The colors look beautiful, and the retail price of this item, I believe, is $45, which is the highest ticket item in my box. So I'm excited about this one. The next one is a glow mist, and it's by Pixi by Petra. I guess it's a mist that you can put in your face or all over your body. It says, set up your summer glow with this lightweight mist that gives you a dewy and gorgeous glow. I have oily skin, so we'll see. I might have to use like a matte foundation to make sure that, you know, I don't look as oily. But it has 13 naturally essential oils, aloe vera. It sets your makeup, it hydrates and protects your skin. And the retail price for this one is $15. I believe this one you can also see it at Target or pick it up at Target. So next item is by Benefits Cosmetics, and it is their Go-Go Tint Cheek and Lip Stain. So it looks kind of like an eyeshadow polish, but it really isn't. Apparently, according to Benefit, this was one of their, or if not their very first item or makeup item they made. And it was made for the cheeks and also for the lips. So they showed a little video in there where you kind of put some strokes on your cheek and blend it out, and then on your lips, and it looks kind of nice and natural. So I'm very excited about that. And the color is Go-Go Tint, because they have different shades. And this one looks like a berry red color. Hopefully it's not as vibrant as I see in the picture, but I'm excited to try it out. And the retail price for this one is actually $30. All right, and the very last item on my bag is going to be a moisturizer. I love getting moisturizers in my boxes. I love getting moisturizers in my boxes because I moisturize my face day and night, and I go through them like this. So this one's the Glow by Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love the smell of watermelon, and the container looks really, really pretty. If it is a full size, which it's supposed to be, it retails for $39. So that's an expensive moisturizer. Okay, so with that said, the total value of my box, which I will be getting in a few days, is $153. So excited. So yeah, I want to know what kind of items you guys are getting. I know I have a lot of twinsies out there that we get the exact same things. Let me know if you guys have any variations, and if you are excited about this month's box. All right, that's about it, guys. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.